Hi y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to give you a few tips to setting up a still life at home. Step number one is to gather your objects. As you're gathering your objects, look for things around your house that inspire you. I just picked up these fresh peonies, so I definitely will be including those. Look for objects that are different shapes, different sizes, objects that have reflective material on them, and anything that you find visually interesting. Step number two is to consider your light source. The table that I'm working on is set right next to a window, so I have natural light coming from the right, and then I also can add to it with this task lamp. So if you don't have natural light and you're working at night, a task lamp is a great option so that you have one continuous light source. Step number three is to gather fabric for your base of your still life. If you don't have access to a ton of different fabrics, an easy thing to do is to look in your closet. I like to use dresses of different patterns and textures to work as a base for my still lifes. So I'm gonna start with the base, and like I said, I have with me kind of a gold sequiny striped dress. This could work really beautifully, and it's very like glam. I feel like that would look really nice. I'm kind of either gonna drape it and let it kind of hang over the side of the table, or I can go with a kind of just a very graphic bold stripe. One thing I like to do while I'm setting up my drapery is to let the fabric kind of naturally fold so that you have really nice shadows and different angles that you can work with your fabric. I'm kind of wanting to go with more of a glam look for this still life, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with the gold sparkly. Okay, so as you're building out your still life, you want to start with one focal point. My focal point today will be this bouquet of peonies. What I'm doing now is kind of just bunching the fabric up so that it drapes and folds so they get really nice shadows and different textural elements that I can work with. The next thing I want to do is create a triangle shape around my focal point. An easy way to create different heights is by incorporating boxes or coffee table books into your still life. For this still life in particular, I think I'm going to use this little trinket box and set it off to the right. From there, I'm going to start adding in some of my other objects. You can see how I'm creating a triangle formation with the top of the triangle being the focal point of my still life. From here, I want to just incorporate a little bit more textural elements. These have a great metallic function to them. And just like that, my still life is ready to go. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helps you stay inspired as you're creating artwork from home. Bye y'all.